Hi children, welcome to grade 5 mathematics class. In the last class, we have learned about Indian and international number system. What is the difference between Indian and international number system we got to know. Today's class, we are going to learn about how to expand the given numbers and find out the place and face value of numbers. Let me share my screen so that you will get the screen to see and you will get more clarity with this. So today's aim is we will learn to expand the numbers and keywords are place value, face value, expanded notation, standard form. First, let us learn what is place and value of a number. For that, we need to have a number. Let us take one example number. Whenever the number is given, you will have to see how the commas are being inserted. The commas are inserted according to Indian system. You can notice it and then see the number which is red in color, that is 5. So now we have taken the example number. We are going to find out the place and value of a number. So for that, we need to have a place value chart and write these numbers just below the places. And we have done so. Now we have to see where this 5 is appearing. This 5 is appearing in the lakhs place. So you got to know now what is the place of 5. The place of 5 is the position where it is taking, where it belongs to. That 5 belongs to lakh place. So the place of 5 is lakh. Just lakh. And then what is the value of a number 5? The value of number will be depending on the place as well as the number itself. The number is 5 here, 5 into lakh. That is nothing but 5 lakh. The place is lakh and the value of 5 is 5 lakh. Let's see the same thing, same concept in the different numbers, that is in an international number system. So let us take up the number and see the commas how it has been inserted. The same number now again 5 we are going to take where it is appearing, we are going to see. That is your place. The place is 100,000 and the value of 5 is 500,000. That means 5 into 100. The product of these two we are going to get as 500,000. Let's see children, what is face value of a number? Face means you know, right? Your face, you know, and likewise the same thing is for even numbers. Face value of a number is nothing but the number itself. So wherever it is appearing, it doesn't really matter, only the face value of any number. If they are asking you the number itself. So now we are asking what is the face value of 3, then it is 3 itself. If I am asking what is the face value of 2 here, 2 itself. Let us take one more example and see what is the place value of 0, 0 itself. Understood children? It's a very simple concept. Face value is nothing but the number itself. It doesn't really matter which place the number is appearing. Now let's see how to expand the given numbers by using Indian number system. Expanded form of a number in Indian system we are going to see. Let us take up the example. Whenever the example is being given, you have to be ready with the place value chart. Otherwise, you have to just write top of the numbers, the places you have to write it. And then now you see here, you will get to know exactly where and how you have to expand the given numbers. You all have to expand the numbers by using your leftmost number, that is 2 to till 6. You have to start from here, starting, and then it is going to end up till 6. So now let us see. Expanded notation is nothing but sum of all the values of a number. Sum of all the values of a number. What is value? Value, we just learnt it. Value is nothing but place along with the number. We are writing the product of place as well as the number. Same thing, we are going to start from 2. So what it is, 2 is appearing in the 10 crore place. So 2 into 10 crore is 20 crores. and 3 is appearing in crores place. So 3 into crore is 3 crores, and then lakhs, 10 lakhs, we have 4. 4 into 10 is 40 lakhs. Likewise, it goes. It's very simple, right, children? 0, which wherever it is appearing, if you are multiplying with the place, you are going to get 0 itself. Okay, let's see now. So 20 crores plus 3 crores plus 40 lakhs plus 0 plus 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 900 plus 900 and then 110. 110 is nothing but 10 itself. Plus 6 ones is nothing but 6 itself. So this is the one way of representing the numbers by using expanded form. Okay. And then what is the another way? Another way is nothing but we are going to write the numbers, only the numerals, no words will be there. Only numerals we are going to use to expand the numbers. So in other words, we can say that the same thing you are going to just write it in a number or numeral form. So let's see, it is 2 and into 10, 20 crores. No, instead of that very simple way you can remember like this, you just write 2 and then see how many digits are appearing, count how many are there, and that many zeros you have to just put, and then plus 3 and then count how many digits are there and then put so many zeros. So you are going to get your expanded form of a given number. See, this is how it is. And then do follow the Indian system of inserting the commas. All right. Let's see expanded form of a number in international number system. Let us take up the example and then see here how it has been given, the values just below the places. And then you know, right, it has to be started from leftmost to the right. First, you are going to start from left number 2 till 6. You are going to expand it. So 2, what is there? The place 100 million. 2 into 100 is 200 billion. Plus 3 into 10 is 30 million, plus 4 into 1 is for 4 million. Like this, you are supposed to write it. So the another way of writing this one in expanded form is just writing the numerals and insert the comma as well. So you will get like this. So same thing, you count the number of digits. How many are there here? 3, 6, 7, 8. And do check it here. Do we have 3, 6, 7 and 8? Yes, correct. And after 3, what do we have? How many digits we have? 3, 6 and 7. So do we have here 7 zeros here? 3, 6, 7. Yes, right. So it is applicable for all the numbers. Oh, I hope everybody is clear with this. Everybody is clear with this. All right, children. So let's see how to read and write the number name of the given numbers. So the number has been given here like that. What it has been given to us. So you have to first check the number and whether it has inserted the comma or not. You have to check it. The standard form is nothing but you are going to insert the comma according to one of the systems. So this is in standard form now. So you have inserted the comma according to international number system and you have written a place value chart here and you have just inserted the numbers just below the places. And now you can read just below the 100 million you have 2. That means what? See here, whenever you are reading the number name, you will have to take up this, the entire period. You have to consider together. So how many periods we have got here? 3 periods we have got it, children. So that is ones period, thousands period and millions period. So in millions period, we have 2, 3 and 4. So together we are going to read it as 234. What I was telling you, 100 million down to that, what do we have? 2 we have. 2 into 100 is 200 plus 30 plus 4 will get. Together we are going to read it as 234 million. And then here 100 plus nothing we have. So we will just leave it 58,916. Hope it is clear, children. Let us look one more example, which is in the Indian number system. See the periods first. You decide the periods first. Mark it. This is ones period. This is a thousands period. This is a lakh period. And this is crore period. right? In crores period together we are going to read the number. So since we have 2 in the 10 crore, that is 2 into 10 is 20. 3 into 1 is 3. 20 plus 3 is 23. So together what it is? 23 crores. 40 is there. 40 lakhs. 589. No, it is only 58. You have to take. This is 58,916. There are 4 periods. You have to read like this: 23 crores, 40 lakhs, 58,916. So we learned how to read and write the number names of the given numbers in both the systems. That's all for today's class, children. Today's class we have learned all these things and I hope that you all have understood it better. For better understanding, you will have to practice this, how to insert and how to expand the given numbers. So for that you need to complete the homework, practice questions, lesson 2 and also the workbook S1 and S2. Do complete these things and please upload your things, whatever the work you have done in the Teams app. Thank you, children. See you all in the next class.